class children. Today we will be learning one more new concept in the chapter addition. So now in this class we will be learning how to add two or more numbers. Okay, so it can be any number of digits, but if you are having two or more numbers, how do you add? On the board I have an example over here. It is 4321, 2504 and 13. So I have three numbers over here which are 2 digit, 3 digit and 4 digit. So all the digits are not same, right? So three numbers I am having, all the digits are not same. So how do I add? So I need to arrange them in respective place values and then I can add it. So first I have 4 digits, so that is the reason I am taking ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Right, so I have 4 digit number which is 4321. So I can take up to 4 values. So 4 place values. So I write the number over here in respective place values. 4 in thousands, 3 in hundreds, 2 in tens and 1 in ones. So I'll go for the next number. It is 2504, which is a 3 digit number. So the place value for the 3 digit number will be starting from what? Hundreds place. So I will write the number as 2 in hundreds place, 5 in tens place and 4 in ones place. So next I have a 2 digit number. 2 digit number place value starts from what? Tens place, right? Tens and ones only will be there in 2 digit number. So I'll take 13 and I'll place 1 in tens digit and 3 in ones digit. So now I have placed them in respective place values, all the 3 digits, right? So 3 numbers in the respective place values. So I will add now. How do I add? It is the same. How do we add without regrouping? So 1 plus 4. 1 in the mind, 4 on fingers. After 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5. What is the answer of 1 plus 4? That we should keep in mind. So I got the answer or the sum of 1 plus 4 as 5. So 5 in the mind, 3 on fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So I will write the answer as 8 over here. Now I will go from ones place to tens place. So in tens place, 2 plus 5. 2 in the mind, 5 on fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 in the mind, 1 on finger. After 7, 8. So the answer is 8. I am writing it here. Now to hundreds place I will go. I have 3 here. 3 plus 2. So 3 in the mind, 2 on fingers. After 3, 4, 5. So I doesn't have another number. So directly I will write 5 over here. Here it is only 4 and those are no other numbers in place value. So 4 I will write directly. Okay, so the answer, if we had these 3 numbers, 4 digit number plus 3 digit number plus 2 digit number, all the 3 numbers, if I am adding, I am getting the sum or the value as 4588. This is how you add 2 or more numbers. Okay, next we will go for another concept. So you have learned how to add 2 or more numbers, right? So now we will learn how to add numbers with regrouping. So with regrouping is nothing but with carry on. We have a carry on to do that. So how do you do that? So first I have 2 numbers on the board, that is 8645, which is added to the number 3436. Okay, so first I will write the place values. It is ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousands. So I take the ones place first. 5 in the mind, 6 on fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 11. So till now I had only single digits. That is the reason I have written here. But I have here 2 digits. So what should I do? I will take this 2 digit number, ones and tens. So always when I add 2 numbers and I get a 2 digit number as the answer, then the digit which is in the ones place I will write here, and which is in the tens place. Okay, which is in the ones place I will write here. Which is in the tens place I will add over here plus 1. Okay, plus 1 because 1 is over here in tens place. I am writing as plus 1. So 11, ones place it is having 1. So I am writing here. In tens place it is having 1. So I am carrying it to the next column. Okay, in tens column now I am in tens column. So in tens, 1 in the mind, 4 on fingers. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 5 in the mind, 3 on fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So I get the answer as 8. It is only single digit, so I am writing it as it is. Now I will go for the hundredths place. Now I am having here 6 plus 4. So 6 in the mind, 4 on fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I got again 10. So ones, tens, right? I am writing it. So ones place 0, tens place I am having 1 and need to add in the next place value, that is nothing but in the thousands. So 1 in the mind, 8 on fingers. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in the mind, 3 on fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 I am writing as it is because there is no other place value to carry the digit. So I am writing the 2-digit number as it is. So when I add 8645 to 3436, I get the sum or the value as 12,081. So this is how you add with regrouping when only 2 numbers are there. If there are more than 2 or 3 numbers, how do you add? How do you add? You take 3 numbers over here, the digits are different. It is a 4-digit number and a 3-digit number and again a 3-digit number. So first I need to keep the place values, that is ones, tens. I'll write a little bit up so that I have place for carrying on. It is ones, then tens, then hundreds and thousands. Okay, so I'll start from ones place as it is. However, like always I'll start from ones place, right? So I'm taking from ones place. So I have 2. So 2 plus 3 first I will do. Then 2 in the mind, 3 on fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5. So again 5 in the mind, 6 on fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I got 11. So 1 and 1 is 11. So in ones place I have 1, 11 I got, right? Answer. In ones place I have 1, so I am writing here. In tens place I am having 1, so I will carry to the next place value. Here I will carry it and put it as plus 1. So plus 1 plus 7. So 1 in the mind, 7 on fingers. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 in the mind, 4 on fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then again 12 in the mind, 8 on fingers. After 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I got the answer as 20. Right? So 0 here and plus 2 over here. Okay. Now 2 in the mind, 4 on fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6 in the mind, 2 on fingers. After 6, 7, 8. Now 8 in the mind, 1 on finger. After 8, 9. So the answer is 9. And again I don't have any carry over here. So as it is I will write the number 6 here. So when I add these 3 numbers of all the 3 numbers, I get the answer as 6,901. This is how you add numbers when there are 2 or more in addition with regrouping. Thank you so much. You have an exercise with the concept addition with regrouping of 2 or more numbers and 2 numbers also along with the expanded form. Thank you so much.